Okay, so if you're a dentist and you're looking to set up Google Ads and start to get new patients for 2026, then this video here is for you. In this video, we're going to be walking you through a step-by-step guide in how you can set up your Google Ad campaign up perfectly and optimize for a dental practice to ensure that you're getting converting and paying new patients into your calendar, and those appointments are going to be booking up in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for getting your campaigns up and running correctly and optimized to ensure that Google Ads works for you and to ensure that it's going to be a profitable and optimized campaign as you move into the new year. So let's get started. So step one is to focus on high value dental services first. So here what you want to be doing as a dentist is looking at some of your services, particularly dental implants, cosmetic dentistry, Invisalign and clear aligners, and emergency dental services. If you focus in purely on these high value dental searches first, you will really see the true value of your campaign. So under dental implants, have high value patients that are actively searching for permanent tooth replacement solutions with strong treatment acceptance rates. Under cosmetic dentistry, you'll see people veneers and smile makeup that attract patients willing to invest their appearance and confidence, particularly as we move into the new year. Third option here would be to look at areas such as Invisalign and clear aligners. So adults seeking discrete orthodontic treatments represent substantial long-term patient value. And then a real good one here as a dentist is to focus in and look at the services that you offer in terms of dental emergency services. So urgent need for patients who want to book emergency treatment and services and appointments with your dental practice. This really can be a valuable area for your business if you're looking to kind of cater to that need and provide that service for your dental practice. So then moving on, step two would be to build your strategic keyword foundation. So creating your keywords strategically for dental searches for crucial dental keywords can be really paramount to ensuring that you have a really successful Google Ad campaign from the offset. Patients often search for specific procedures, which obviously in this case can be urgency and emergency. So what you want to do is cater to that audience and to those searches with your keyword foundation. So you have keyword here on the left-hand side of emergency keywords. So these are the highest priority searches, such as emergency dentist near me, broken tooth repair, dentist open now, same day tooth extraction, and weekend dental emergency. You really want to be focusing in here as a dental practice and a dentist on these emergency keywords, because this can be really valuable to ensuring that Google Ads can work for your business and you'll get really high intent customers and patients coming from that audience. Particularly outside of this, you would have other dentistry keywords such as cosmetic keywords, where you would have more of like smile makeover cost or cosmetic dentist near me or fixed crooked tooth. You want to be looking to see if you can capture some of that audience under the cosmetic side. Then additionally, you'd have dental implant keywords. So in this case, you'd have people looking for tooth implant costs, single tooth implant, or implant dentist near me. And then finally, having this negative keyword item and really building your keyword foundation with the negative keywords is going to be really valuable. It's going to stop you receiving irrelevant traffic to your campaign that's going to burn your budget. So here, just ensure that you're building that negative keyword list on a regular basis. Includes such as generic, include negative keywords that are always going to burn your campaign, such as DIY, at home, homemade, job, salary, career, free, cheap, and discount. What you want to be doing here is continually checking your search term report and adding these negative keywords to ensure that your Google Ads is only being used and shown to people that can potentially become new patients for your practice. Okay, so step three is to create trust building ads that actually convert. And obviously with a dental practice and a dentist, building trust is so paramount to obviously whether patients then become a new patient to your practice and wanting to book appointments. So this really is key. So the first step here is to match the search intent. So the first headline should match the search and include your primary keyword. If someone is searching here, for example, dental implants, your headline should say dental implants or affordable dental implants to ensure immediate relevance to that search. Second step is to address the patient's concern. So your second and third title should build trust. So experienced implant specialist, you could put, or gentle pain-free dentistry, over 1,000 five-star reviews. These terms really do help to build that trust and show that you are really good in terms of helping and obviously taking care of the patient, but obviously a trusted partner for many other patients. The third step here is to emphasize your expertise and care. So in descriptions, highlight your experience, your technology that maybe stands out from the competition, and your patient care philosophy. For example, restore your smile with dental implants from our experienced team, state-of-the-art technology in a comfortable, anxious-free environment. This really does allow for the viewer, the visitor to the Google ad and your website to be a little bit more kind of relaxed and to start to trust you to say, okay, yeah, I want to, book an appointment for my dental services with this dentist. And then the fourth and final step here would to be leverage extensions strategically. So use your call out extensions in your Google ad for trust signals. So 20 plus years experience, flexible payment plans, add anything like that, which will also encourage you to include site links at the bottom of your Google ad campaign. This really does work wonders when people are actually considering going ahead with your potential dental services at your new dental clinic. So step 4 to 5 is to track and landing pages that drive appointments, because it's all about appointments and new appointments from potentially new patients. So step 4 here was to conversion tracking. So what you want to have here is set up tracking for both phone calls and form submissions on your websites. This is really important. The first step here really is to create phone call conversions with 90-second minimum call length to track online appointments from form submissions and conversion code, and verify both tracking methods that work from your launching page campaigns. Test by calling your practice and filling out your own form to ensure it all works first before you go in live. Step 5 then would be to have search specific landing pages. So for every area of the services that we mentioned earlier, just have a specific landing page for each one of them, so it's not too generic and it's not too general. So just zone in to a purely specific landing page for each service. Never send Google ad traffic to your homepage. So when people are clicking through from the Google ad campaign, ensure that is not going straight to your homepage, which could be very generic. It just tells people about the Google, which tells people about the dental practice and your business. They'll click up and down and they'll most likely click off. What you want to do here is with Google ad traffic is you need it just going to a specific landing page that's going to purely convert. So have maybe answers to the questions, a little bit of kind of trust signals in terms of your, pictures before and after, or maybe some pictures of your team. But really what you want to have here is just clear CTA call to actions, a big phone number so they can click and call you, or a clear form that they can fill out that's really quick and easy. And then you'll start to see here the appointments booking up really, really quickly through your effective Google ad campaign. So if you're a dentist that's actually looking to start filling up new appointments in your calendar in 2026 and start taking on new patients, then this video obviously is for you. And you really need to use Google Ads to take your dental practice to the next level. We really do recommend Google Ads as a campaign that can work for your business, particularly for a dental practice when done correctly. If you don't really know where to start in terms of setting up your campaign, you're still struggling with what to do and what not to do and how to optimize your campaign to take your business to the next level, then feel free to click the link below where we'll provide you with a free strategy call and a clear roadmap in terms of what strategies we recommend that you can take and to ensure that you have an optimized campaign that's going to start bringing in new clients and new patients for your dental practice in 2026 and beyond.